Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on.
These are the messages I get most on the DMs. So we are going to decode how to apply for jobs as a fresher. Okay, as a fresher, you guys are doing a lot of mistakes while applying for a job. Example, if you see a job post and you have your old resume, and if you're going to just apply with that resume without any research, then you have less chances of getting a call back from your HR. In this 5 minutes of video, I will tell you how you can increase the chances of getting a call back from the HR. Okay, the first one is you need to know what is the keywords in your resume. For that, you have to select a job description which you're going to apply. Just copy that, go to ChatGPT and paste it. And with the prompt that tell me the keywords which I need to add in my resume to improve my chances of getting a call from HR. So now this ChatGPT will get you important keywords which that should be in your resume. So make sure that those keywords are there in your resume for sure. The second one is check when the job application have been posted. If it is more than 3 weeks or 1 month, then you have less chances of getting a call from HR because the candidate must have already been selected. So to avoid that, you have to apply for the job which are recently been posted. Next important and last one is do not apply for job applications on weekend, because your job application will be stacked very low when HR opening their application list on Monday morning. So try to apply on Monday mornings or Tuesday mornings. Mostly mornings will give you lot of chances that you will get a call back from HR as soon as possible. And finally, don't forget to share this video with your friends, because you can actually help a lot of people in this recession time and in this highly competitive job market. And more often subscribe, because from here we have seen how to apply for the jobs, but after this video I'll be posting about how to actually crack with aptitude, where to prepare for aptitude, coding, and lot more resources completely for free with free certifications also. And keep on checking out my YouTube channel, and please do share it with your friends.